Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Audi S4 versus the Golf R. Let's dive into their performance. The S4 boasts a powerful 3.0-liter V6 engine, delivering around 349 horsepower for a smooth, strong pull. The Golf R counters with a spirited 2.0-liter four-cylinder, offering about 310 horsepower. Both cars provide exhilarating acceleration, reaching 60 miles per hour in under 5 seconds, making every drive exciting. When it comes to driving dynamics, the Audi S4 offers a more composed and luxurious experience, absorbing road imperfections with ease. Its sophisticated suspension ensures a comfortable journey, even at higher speeds. In contrast, the Golf R delivers a more direct and engaging feel, with sharper steering and a firmer ride that encourages spirited driving. Both vehicles benefit from excellent all-wheel drive for superior grip. Inside, the Audi S4 presents a more upscale environment, with high-quality materials and a focus on luxury and comfort for 4 to 5 passengers. The Golf R, while still well-appointed, emphasizes practicality with its hatchback design, offering more flexible cargo space. Both vehicles come equipped with advanced technology, including intuitive infotainment systems and comprehensive driver assistance features, enhancing daily usability. Ultimately, choosing between the S4 and Golf R depends on your priorities. The S4 offers a blend of luxury and power, ideal for those seeking refinement. The Golf R provides thrilling performance in a more practical and often more affordable package. Consider your budget and driving style. For more great deals, including those leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.